Hello friends, I'm Alia Ali, the Student Relationship Associate at Krishna Consultants. I am the host for today's talk show of KC's Study Abroad Reels, wherein we are going to throw light upon the various questions that pop up in a student's or parent's mind when they start planning for higher studies abroad. Whether you want to pursue an undergrad or postgrad degree abroad, you have options galore to choose from, be it the right study destination, the university, or program of your choice. A choice that fits your pocket and fulfills your academic dreams. We can guide you and assist you in making the best academic and career decisions. To give us a greater insight into the study abroad options and processes, we have with us Mr. Ajay Gidwani, the Center Manager of Krishna Consultants, Head Office at Nagpur. Hello, sir.
Hello, Alia.
We are glad to have you here with us, and I would like to ask you a few questions which study abroad aspirants usually ask us when they approach us for the first time.
Sure, please go ahead.
So, can you tell us what services does KC provide to study abroad aspirants?
We provide free online and in-person counseling, assistance for the right course and university selection, online and offline standardized test and English proficiency test coaching, assistance for application and admission, assistance for scholarships, financial structuring, end-to-end assistance for education loan, visa services, pre-departure guidance, allied services like accommodation, insurance, forex, and travel arrangement. In short, KC provide all the required services under one roof.
Oh, that's really awesome. This means that the students or parents get all the required services at one place and they just don't have to bother about missing on any part or approaching anyone else.
Of course, that's what KC aims at, providing end-to-end services to students.
Well then, can we know whether KC assists for both master's and a bachelor's level of studies?
Yes, we assist for both master's and bachelor's level of studies.
Sir, what will be the approximate duration and budget for a master's and bachelor's degree abroad?
The duration of the master's course can be 1 to 2 years and bachelor's can be 3 to 4 years depending on the study destination. The budget for the master's can be 15 to 45 lakhs and for bachelor's it could be 50 lakhs to 1 crore, which also depends on the study destination and duration.
When do you think students should ideally start preparing for admission in master's degree abroad?
For master's courses, high-rank universities require GRE or GMAT scores for US. So ideally, if the candidate is preparing for or planning for US destination, he or she has to start preparation when he is in the second or third year of graduation. While for other countries, the student can start preparation in the final year of graduation. For English proficiency test preparation and application process, 1 year of time is good to go.
And what about the bachelor's degree?
For bachelor courses, high-rank US universities require SAT scores. So ideally, he or she has to start preparation in the 11th grade itself. While for other countries, 1 year of time would be enough.
So how do you guide the students to narrow down on the right study destination if they want to choose from multiple destinations?
We guide the students based on their preferred choice of courses, ranking preferences, duration, budget, work permit visa, and PR opportunity preferences.
And how do you suggest the university and the suitable course options to the students?
We suggest the university and course option based on their interest in a particular field, academic percentage, student's profile, standardized test, or English proficiency test course as required.
Is there any specific eligibility criteria for admission in high-ranked universities?
Yes, apart from the basic academic percentage and profile of the students, the standardized test scores are also essential for eligibility.
Do the KC admission experts support students for scholarships also?
Yes, we support the students by giving them the information and assistance in applying for scholarships.
What about the work while study options? or part-time work rights for international students? Does it differ depending on the destination, and approximately how much can they earn?
Well, students have 20 to 40 hours of work right permit depending upon the study destination. Whatever the students earn from that, it helps them to cover almost 90 to 100% of their living and accommodation expenses.
That sounds pretty good. And what chances do students have for internships?
Universities in the USA and Canada offer co-ops and internships. Co-ops are mostly paid, whereas internship can be paid or unpaid. In other countries, there are certain courses where internship is the part of the curriculum. Some universities help the students to get the internship, but in some cases, they may have to search on their own.
Do foreign universities assist students in job placements through campus recruitment drives?
They do have job fairs, very much like we have Pool campus here.
Which countries will be ideal if the student is looking for permanent residence?
Canada, Australia, or New Zealand.
And the final question of today's talk show. What do you answer when a parent asks, is it safe to send my child for overseas education?
Yes, for a parent, it could be a major aspect. Once we enroll the student with us, we make sure that we send the student to the safest and the best study destination, university or college. It is utmost care for us.
It was great talking to you, sir, and I'm sure our viewers have got ample useful information from this episode of KC Study Abroad Reels. I once again thank you for being a part of this episode and answering all our queries.
Thank you, Alia. It was my pleasure to give essential information to the study abroad aspirants and parents. I invite all the students and parents interested in studies abroad to connect to us online or in person to any of our 50 plus KC offices across India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh and Vietnam. Book a free counseling session with us on www.studies-overseas.com. We'll be happy to assist you.
Okay viewers, it's time to wind up this episode of ours. But do stay tuned to watch our next episode of KC's Study Abroad Reels. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest study abroad updates. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or LinkedIn.